Have you ever wanted to learn to build powerful gem and chakra jewelry for yourself and others? So many people have asked me about this chakra necklace here that I built that affects all of my chakras. And they either want to buy it or they want to build it for themselves. So I put together a free course that talks all about how to set a rosecut gem in sterling silver and all the tools that you'll need, which is a really inexpensive nomadic jeweler tool setup. And this gives you all the technical skills that you need. So you can either hop right over and take that course, and here and now I want to talk to you about constructing the chakra necklace and how to put it together when you already have your gemstones that are set in silver, and why these gemstones are so powerful and the characteristics of different gemstones relating to the chakras, and why some people use gemstones as healing and clearing, and also how to clean your gemstones properly to enhance their powers on how they can work with our subtle bodies. Hi, I'm Susan Lenart, and I've been in jewelry, art, and education for 18 years. And I recently added a deep dive study into Kundalini, and I came to understand how crystals really do affect our subtle bodies and the colors especially, and how they relate to each of our chakras here. So many people, including myself, use chakras as a form of self-care for healing, energizing, and complementary as alternative medicine, believe it or not. So more than we realize, the vibrations in each of the stones affect each individual chakra, and they stimulate qualities that we need in our life. I've been working directly with gemstones and their properties for 8 years, and the clearer the person gets to their subconscious, and that means to your authentic self, the clearer these gemstones will be able to affect you. How do you get clearer to have these gemstones affect you? And that would be by really just living a healthier lifestyle, shedding off all the old, living a healthier lifestyle. So that would be, eating pretty healthy, making healthy choices in eating, not having all that stress, or shedding some of that stress. It would be eating smart, exercising, the breath work, yoga work. Living a clean and positive life helps you to get clearer and cleaner to your authentic self, and your body will be more and more affected by these stones and the qualities of these stones. So the crystals really are, they're energetic minerals that are alive, and they're from the earth, and they will energetically help to balance our bodies and our planet. So it works all the way around. We're all one, and these gems really are live minerals. So the gemstones in the chakra jewelry, like this one here, is beneficial for my physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. And they not only help balance the chakras when you wear these pieces, and you can see here I'm actually wearing each chakra stone on each of my chakras, and this is how I wear it, where it doesn't move around. It does go all the way down to my root chakra. So it goes root chakra, sacral, solar, heart. This is your throat chakra, your third eye, and your crown chakra. And these actually here hit all in the right positions. So you can actually wear these in this style. When I wear this piece, I'll tuck it in just to make it easier to move around in. Or some other styles that I do is I'll just put together, some of these stones and very effectively just wear them strung together, and the crystals will still affect you. So whether you like them or directly over each chakra or just on your body, they're gonna help you energetically in your work and through your day. The big bold pieces, they just need to be clear and clean. So the chakra necklace is made beautifully and purposely so you can wear and carry each of these chakra particular stones with you. You will feel powerful vibrations from them, symbolism and talisman that they all represent to help each of your chakras, which in turn helps you to be clear and balanced in business and in life, as an artist, and just, as your own person. So these will help strengthen different chakras. We're all composed of 7 main chakras in our body, and like I told you, they all have different qualities that go with them. So for the root, It actually is your stability, your comfort, your ability to hold abundance, and that's red, and it's all about the earth. So this, really you want to be wearing these red chakras or red gemstones for that reason, and they really do work hand in hand, the colors and the vibrations. The second one is the sacral chakra, and that's orange, and it's the water, and it's all about your creativity. So, oh my gosh, if you're an artist, this is really a good one for you to open up. And it really is also about comfort and peace and freedom, which is beautiful too. So if you really need to bring these qualities into your life, it's good to wear these nice orange gems or orange colors. So the next is the solar plexus, which is yellow, and this is a fire, passion and fire. And this actually will bring back in your power, your passion, your self-esteem, your strength is what the yellow is all about. If you want, then we're going to move up to the heart chakra, which is more the pinks and greens. And the heart chakra is all about love and freedom and peace and happiness. So if you wear these gemstones, which I'll list them out for you below, if you wear these gemstones, you bring in more of these qualities that will affect this chakra in particular. And then you move into the throat chakra. The throat chakra is blue, a beautiful blue. I'm really kind of using a lot of this blue and greens now, but the blue is all about communication. It's about prosperity, and really about bringing in luck into your life, and just to be able to move around and communicate and manage and speak your mind and speak your voice. I can go in, I will go into a lot more details of this farther on down the road, but I just want to brief you guys on these. The third eye is the indigo, a deep, deep indigo, like a deep blue and purple mix. And this one really brings in your manifesting. So as an artist, you're going to really want to bring in your manifesting ideas, bring ideas from above, let this flow happen. When you're in the building and in the flow, you're working through this third eye. It's your dreams, it's your ability to read things and bring it into your physical body and do your artwork. The crown is the lilac, and that really is how you stay in touch with all of the higher self and bring in your ideas. And it's your freedom, it's your, just everything to do with bringing in all these ideas from above through dreams, walking through life and bringing it into the physical as well. So, with these different gems, when you wear these on your body, you really will find that you can enhance these qualities in yourself to be strong as an artist, as a business person. So these actually will be really, really good for you and create power and strength and vibrancy into your life wearing these. And this is really one of my favorite pieces to wear. To help clear them. You can meditate with them. If you're doing yoga, bring it with you. You don't have to have them on, but you can just bring your pieces right with you as you're doing your meditations or hold them. You can recharge your crystals by putting them in the moonlight. It just really helps to clear the full moon. The full moon really helps clear and charge all of your crystals. You also can have like a mother crystal where you can bring your crystals back to and really recharge them by having them around main crystals that just hold energy and sit in the deep moonlight. Another way is you can charge these with singing bowls, gongs, or just beautiful live music will help to clear and vibrate really strongly again. And, also by different incenses, you have sages, incenses, just clearing your crystals in that way will really help strengthen and make your crystals strong when you're wearing them. So to go into really the connecting of these pieces, how do you do that? I have a piece here with me that I actually just have on a chain, and they're just connected and they're put into place. But really it's just connecting with some of the chain and the jump ring to get them to work together effectively. And I have some chain with me here. It doesn't matter what kind of chain that you decide to use. And you can actually just use jump rings to cut and connect Your chain is really easy. You know, it's really easy to cut just with snips or scissors or anything. And you can just cut it. Let's see if we can get this up here. Cut it, add a jump ring, and connect your gems and decide if you want them as earrings, as bracelets. You know, really, they can be done in so many different ways. But these gems will always be with you and, you know, help vibrate on your body. Mine is done with chain in between and jump rings. So you'll see from the gem setting, go ahead and start there, and then you can just use the chains and jump rings to connect it all together to create your gemstone necklace. And I'll have more information on the stones and qualities as we go along. So, okay, enjoy building your piece.